What is up guys, my name is Chase, welcome back to another video. For Christmas, I was super lucky to get the new 10.2 inch iPad along with the smart keyboard. So this is going to be a little unboxing for both the iPad and the smart keyboard. So tearing into the plastic here. And this is the 7th generation iPad, 32GB Wi-Fi in space gray. So lifting up our box here. Bam, there it is, the iPad. It's right in your face right when you open the box. We're gonna set that aside and go into some of our cables and stuff. Here's our regular little lightning to USB cable. We have our traditional Apple paperwork here, and then underneath we have our little iPad charging brick. Obviously this is the one that's larger than your normal one that comes with like the iPhone and stuff. Anyway, let's check if we have Apple stickers. Here's our iPad paperwork. Comes with your little tips and tricks and whatnot. And yes, we do have Apple stickers, so hashtag blessed for that. And then here is our actual iPad. Once again, this is the new like baseline iPad. It has a 10.2 inch display, and then as you can see here, it has the little smart connectors, so that's how we can use our smart keyboard with it. Anyway, what do you say let's move on to the iPad smart keyboard. This is the one that I believe works with this new 10.2 inch iPad as well as the iPad Air. So ripping into our plastic here. Here's the different ways that you can stand it up, and lifting up the box here. First off, we got our little Designed by Apple in California paper. It comes in a little like skinny sleeve. I feel like they used the same packaging for that, like the Apple Watch. Anyway, that doesn't really matter. Here's how you can stand up the iPad on the smart keyboard. And then finally, here is the smart keyboard itself. It even comes in its own little plastic. So that's nice. It has a really nice material on it. It's like a felty type of material. Anyway, taking off the plastic from the iPad itself. And here is our naked iPad. Anyway, let's open up our keyboard here. Here I am testing out the keys. Maybe I'll do a little review video later on, but in general, I like how the keys feel. They don't feel like a traditional keyboard, not even like the Apple keyboard. Anyway, here I am putting the iPad in the actual smart keyboard. It's a really cute little thing. I like how it looks. Yeah, the keys, you know, they're really tiny and it feels like a very mobile device. Anyway guys, that is my quick little unboxing of the 10.2 inch 2019 iPad along with the smart keyboard. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Chase and I will see you again soon. Bye.